I am magic, clinging to bones, wrapped in skin and covered by scars. Sanbonani, my name is Bajabulile Nkosi and alumuhle kakhulu. I am 27 years old and I'm from the lovely small town Mpumalanga, representing the Mpumalanga municipality.
Bajabulile Nkosi.
My name is Bajabulile Nkosi, representing the Mpumalanga municipality. Why Miss Mpumalanga 2024? Because I believe and stand with the vision of the brand that aims to change the life of a girl child, liberate young women to go out there and make a difference. In this season of Miss Mpumalanga 2024, I believe that I can be the voice that will lead a generation of young women who dare to dream, nurture their talents and find their purpose in a society that is constantly trying to change us, so that we can try and change the narrative, one queen at a time, together. Thank you.
Brought to you by Mzimari Productions, sponsored by Mpumalanga Economic Regulator, an entity of the Economic Development and Tourism, supported by the Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation, NQ Boutique, as well as Mpumalanga Tourism and Parks Agency.